Okay, so you can see here we're at the city main. So you can see it's flowing right to left, flows towards Schoolcraft. You did see that we were under quite a bit of water for a good period of time. We are going to go ahead and pull back. We will continue to record. We will pull the camera out. We will put a centering guide on to see if we get an idea of the depth of water that's in the 6-inch clay tile. As you can see here, the sewer is holding water. It is a small amount. You can see here we have some root infiltration. Again, we will continue to pull back. We're not sure how much visual. As you can see, we're back underwater again at this point. So we will pull all the way back. We will put on a centering guide that centers us better in the piping. As you can see, as we pull back a little bit in areas, we do have a bit of a visual that the water doesn't appear to be that deep in certain areas. Okay, we're going to do a second video at this time. We do have our centering guide on the camera. As you can see, we even hold a little water here in the cast, but our camera is above the water level. As you can see, we do have some scale buildup in the cast iron. As you can see, we're starting to hit towards the transition area, and you can see we're currently underwater at this time. Okay, you can see here the pipe does hold quite a bit of water. As you can see, the top of the piping is stained pretty well. The recommendation at this point would be to replace the piping. To get proper pitch on it, would be replaced with 4-inch cast iron, or I'm sorry, 4-inch PVC pipe. We are going to go ahead and push through all the way to where the drop is, just to get an idea about where it is. Here you can see we do have some roots that are growing in. We are able to pass through that area. As you can see, we still hold quite a bit of water here, even though our camera had some visual for a point. You can see we're back underwater with the centering guide. Okay, as you can see, we're pushing a little bit of silt and stuff that always lays in the bottom. Okay, we're going to pause at this point We will go ahead and attempt to locate this in the yard to get a depth. Okay, we have located this area is out. The sewer does kind of stay along the south side of the property line. It is about where the storm drain is. The storm drain runs pretty shallow, and this mark on our locator was approximately 6 foot deep, which isn't very deep because we are in a basement. We are going ahead, we are going to pull back and continue to record. As you see, we do hold a little bit of water here. And you'll see we do have some root infiltration as well. And you'll see now we're starting to pick up the water. You can see that we do see some root infiltration. Again, you're going to see that we start to lose visual in certain areas. And you can also see the root infiltration. Again, you can see our camera is underwater again at this point, which means the pipe's holding at least half a pipe of water. The recommendation at that point would be to have the sewer replaced. Again, we installed new 4-inch PVC. Again, as you see here, this gives you an idea of the amount of water that's sitting in the pipe. And you can see how it's built up on the top of the pipe. It's actually hard for us. This is in the cast iron. So we would pretty much dig up as close to the house as we could. You'll see even when we pull back, you'll see the cast iron does hold some water here.